Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Off the Board with pineapple papers, and since it is May I Scraplift You month for the month of May, we are going to scraplift all of Pineapple Papers Crystal's different types of layouts. So that was mine, and I wanted to work with the close to my heart products that we have in our catalog for May and June. And it's our 4th of July papers. Now, I have quite a bit of papers, or quite a bit of photos from that day, because we stayed home. Josh cooked, I did up Kaylin's hair, and just all this fun stuff. And so I wanted to start documenting the summer and the 4th of July. So that is what this photo is of my daughter. She's giving me a little winky face and her awesome photos of what her hair looks like and all of that stuff. So what I'm going through here is the Project Life cards that come with the kit. You can purchase these on its own or with the kit. And I got the big kit, one of the scrapbooking kits that they have in the catalog. And I'll link it down below. Because I really, really loved what it looks like with everything. And of course, I don't ever follow any of it to the T anyway. Y'all know this of me. So I wanted to show you guys how you can get the kit like this and still do your own if you choose to. Now, I do know and I completely understand that when you get those workshops, it's super duper easy to just do it that way. So that is why it works out well to follow what I do if you want to and get something different, or follow the kit and still be able to do it that way as well. So I am putting all of these Project Life cards together and doing what I do best and layering up the heck out of it. And I absolutely love how this turns out. I think that my little photograph and how Crystal's paper turns out works wonderful. And so that is what I'm doing. And I followed her layout pretty close because it's scraplifting and it's kind of like off the board, but we're doing pineapple papers, Crystal's layout. So that's what I like about that. Excuse me. I am so sorry. I knew it was coming and I was hoping it would go away. Sorry about that. So I took this piece of paper that was a 4x6 and I cut it in half so that I could go across because I like this blue. I do a lot of blues on this layout, but the next layout that I do with this collection, I have another one coming up. I kind of did a lot of blues with this one too. I really like the blue tones that are in this collection. I love the red too, but the blue just works really well with what she's wearing, at least for like above. Now, when you actually look at her layout or look at her clothes, which I have those as well, they not so much. They're very summer-ish clothes, and I really didn't get her a 4th of July clothes because I don't like we celebrate, but it's not like it's a big deal. Like they've got to, like I got to have my daughter wear this stuff, right? So I'm just gluing this down. I just backed the photo and gave that little bit of dimension there. And then, of course, this is what I'm going to use for my journaling. And I just explained exactly what I did here is exactly what I did on the journaling. And then I forgot this piece. I wanted to add this in there because she has a strip too. And then I forgot about it. So I'm just going to do the trick like this and be like, yep, I added it before I put down the photo, even though I didn't. So make sure you go check out everybody down below. Obviously, they're all going to be scraplifting Crystal because, Pineapple Papers Off the Board is her thing that she started, I don't know how many years ago. 2-3 years, I think now. And then she started a new series where May I Scraplift You for the month of May, which unfortunately due to school being out at the end of the year here, it's a little harder for me to partake in all of those. So, but I think that her style of scrap lifting other individuals is fantastic. I know I do it twice a month already with Laura Alberts too, so I did at least do 2. It just may not have been who she picked, but at least I did do 2. Now, the one layout that was supposed to go up on Sunday, my phone went to cruddy crud, and yeah, so I had to do some rearranging on my layout, and so the Scraplift Sunday one didn't go up like it should, but that's my next one that I'm doing, and then I'm going to get that on my channel as well. So yeah, I just was trying to get everything done over the weekend, and it just, with school ending, it was just crazy. So, but I am working through all of this fun stuff right here, and just going through, I did use a whole stack of those stars because I thought she did that as well on her layout with sequins. So I did it with the stars, and I just added the colors here and there. And my title is going to be Oh Happy Day because I thought that was perfect, and it works really well with the way my daughter Kaylin is looking at me in the camera and all of that kind of stuff. So that works out well. As of today, when this goes up, this is going to go up on Wednesday, but I did this voiceover on Monday. I just went through the crazy, crazy, crazy day of second to the last day. Our last day of school is going to be on Tuesday, which is tomorrow for me. But when this goes up, I'm already done with school, and I'm starting to do the year-end stuff. And then I take a week and a couple days off, and then I start summer school, or we don't call it really summer school this year. It's extended learning. So they're going to, some of the students are going to come back and do extended learning so that they can learn a little bit more than what they did in school. So that is fantastic there. I'm just adding these little bits here. I do come in with Sunset Strip and my little handy dandy tool. I love that thing. It is fantastic. It's just amazing. But I back this one up. I add I think one more banner. No, I leave it as that. I add more flowers in this cluster just so that there's a little bit of something more here. And then I pretty much call it. Now make sure you go check out everybody down below. If you're coming from one of their channels and you're new, I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. This summer's going to be a little bit more because, I'm home and I can just do all of this on top of just school in general. So that'll be fantastic. But I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I am super duper 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 close to 3,000 subscribers, and I would love to be able to do my 3,000 subscriber giveaway soon. So if you haven't, just hit that subscribe button. It doesn't hurt you. It's free. I hope that you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.